Good morning. It's about 7:45. Just cleaned out here. That over there is an easy 8-foot drift because there's a 2 to 3 foot drop there. But the issue the snow removal folks are saying is, where are we going to put this if we get more? As you can see, you got 4 and 5 and 6 inch drifts. Snowfall, I guess, was 6, 8, and 10, just depending on where you're at with the wind. We'll get out in town here in just a little bit. We've got 6 to 8 to 10 inches of snow. It's got 2 inches of hard pack at the bottom. Quite honestly, the only way to get it out is with skid loaders in some cases. We had drifts in our yard of upwards of 4 to 5 feet. Particularly hard to clean up are going to be the sidewalks. They're a combination of 2 to 3 inches of an icy, snowy melt mix, then hard packed snow. It's going to take a skid loader to go through these. We'll whip over to the shelter over here. You can see what the wind did to these icicles here. Blew them back in. It's kind of fascinating. It is cold and windy. My fingers are freezing. There you can see what the wind's done to those icicles. Oh, just went down a foot or two. We're at the corner of College Place and Grand, and this is a good example of the snow piles that you're seeing. People have got to build up. No place else for it to go. And you probably can't see down there towards St. Michael's Catholic Church. There's a good 20-foot pile of snow. Looking down Grand Avenue, folks are out. You see a city truck doing some plowing there. Section of Cyclone Avenue and Highway 59. Crews are out, as you can see here. The wind is really gusting, folks. And it is cold. No traffic, as you can see as well. You can see here the snow and ice have combined to make a very slick surface. The wind is blowing straight out of the northwest. That's Harlan Community High School right in front of us. And visibility is probably about a half mile to a mile. Now here is an eternal optimist doing some snow removal with his shorts. He is one brave soul. I'm back up at Harlan Community High School. Nothing has been done as far as the schools go in regards to snow removal. You can tell the wind is really picking up again. Right now, the northwest wind is really wreaking havoc on their cars. As you can see, it looks like a car graveyard almost. Out here, the wind chill's got to be minus 15 or 20 easily. Downtown Harlan appears to have escaped a lot of the drifts. We're seeing the snow piled up from the city crews, but it's not as bad. Probably a lot of the buildings are blocking it, pushing the snow elsewhere.